The conversation grew heated after she found out he had cheated. Tears gushing down her face, she said, Craig, I'm feeling so defeated. 3 years now I've been faithful, now I'm becoming so hateful. I hate lies and pretenders, fake and the ungrateful. Thought my words would help her, but she was fuming in raging temper. She said, Kirkland, this is it, I'm done with this. I am going to murder the helper. Well, Lord, what wrong with you? Talk to me straight. When you get yourself in a trouble with the law, I see wrath in your face. She suddenly pretended to start laugh like she glad. Seconds after, she start talk like she mad. Me go murder her bumbo clot, make she walk past if she bad. I was like, honey, breathe easily. I've never seen you this pissed before. You're smart with a strong heart, you never talk like this before. She said, Craig, I had enough, it's rough, I will not compromise. I looked in Billy's eyes and watched him telling silly lies. He laid with the maid, I asked him, he denied. But he was caught on camera, I'll know him not realize. That nasty helper, she and him, having unprotected sex the other day while I was away. I kid you not, and this is the part that grieved me. While he was all up inside her, she was like, breed me, Billy, breed me. Promise you'll never leave me. And have the audacity to fake a smile when she see me. Her eyes expand larger as she uttered me, I gonna murder them. I advise her to seek psychotherapy. Perhaps that helps. Because depression is that thing to make you feel like your inside melts. Yes, my people, I poem the name Caught on Camera. I was up on a journey. You heard me? I say no to domestic violence, no to abuse. Stop killing, stop raping, stop robbing our women, our children, our people. Sad situation will go on a yard. As enough of us see what's happening with the recent Donnelly, and you know the drama continue. It's really sad. Condolences goes out to the family of the deceased, and we hear some more people are get demise and a bag of things. Yeah, if you see me attack, somewhat short of breath, just kind of feel a little bit wheezy. So for me, breathe easily, it's not easy. Yeah, asthmatic and all of that. But as me said, the journey continue. Big up the warriors, then we keep it real. I keep it 100% positive. We're not perfect in the earth, but we try to do our best and aim for the highest. You get to me, I say too much negative energy surrounding our country, surrounding our people, surrounding our world. And we don't have many people who talk up much and they're on the forefront and lead the youth them the right way. But at the end of the day, big up to the ones and ones them who do it, and big up to the entertainers them who do it. Although as me talk about entertainer, yesterday female there who go up on the show there, and this is general. At the end of the day, I don't know me I talk. Some of you don't know, some of you don't know. I don't figure no name settings. But miss, that was totally disrespectful and uncalled for. I don't know if somebody are going to share that message with her or somebody tell her, but it matters to me not. Lady, you're wrong. Certain little thing when I look for hype, and all I know people who jump on a forward and I say, hey, that not necessary. And that's just my opinion. Who like it, who dislike it, I care zero. You get what me and say? So, certain things not call for just attention seekers, not for one. You get what me and say? For what? For which reason I work? But anyway, as me talk about that, I have a poem called Dancehall Poetry. Before me do dancehall poetry, I have to do that piece of song. Yeah. It's like a punchline type of vibe. Me just a walk up and down like my lost in a foreign. See some hot sexy Yo. Me just a walk up and down like my lost in a foreign. See some hot sexy catty when me pass in a foreign. Me Jamaican accent them love me talking a foreign. Hello, me say walk on in a foreign. Positivity me endorse. Yeah. But big respect as me say. To the people that most support greatness. To the fans of Amaziyah, the great music. Me have several short movies. Searching for Keisha. The recent one. Part 3 way overdue. But people don't look out. Whole heap of little things me have to deal with up and about. Big up my picnic them. Nation a journey. Big up the whole team. Taylor B. Quality. And the whole cast. Dancehall Poetry, the next poem. Once upon a time, the messaging and the music make me rate dancehall. So I tired myself properly. Just to date dancehall. Entertainment history. But so much fun and excitement as I trace dancehall. I chase dancehall. Goose pimples invade my body as I fell in love and could not escape dancehall. The music and I became one as my plan was to stand, expand and escalate dancehall. This might seem random, but seriously, I need a condom because the music industry got infected since them rape dance. Yo. Check it out on YouTube. Dancehall Poetry by Amaziyah the Great. Check out the short movie Searching for Keisha, Camaria's Way, Easter Bun, Stay Firm. Yeah. My name is Pam extended version. And talking about my name is Pam. I'm going to drop the next poem there. I'm going to say no to domestic violence all the way. If the relationship now work, don't try to trick yourself. When you see the red flag, put your shoes on and move on. Get your groove on. Pam was sad and sulky because Roy always made her cry. He was too busy being a boisterous bully, plus a sour selfish guy. She was somewhat bewildered as tears rained from her weeping eyes. Her relationship was a smooth sailing, so she told him goodbye. He yelled, "Bitch, if you ever leave, damn, you're gonna die. I'm the one who makes you and I'll break you. Go on if you wanna try." The nosy neighbor from next door shouted, "Somebody called police." She was by her usual spot, at the zinc fence where she peeped. Mary was too busy taking a selfie to share a Facebook post. Suddenly start recording and virally shared the most. The preaching pastor came praying, but counseling never worked. Pam ran away the following day when Roy was out for work. She later found Dick, who gave her firm attention on it. Alright. She enjoyed making love. No protection. A few months later, she was pregnant. No baby father was around. Her mind went Googling, but Dick was never found. Billy shortly took her up, offering for her to be his bride. She was more than delighted and promised never to leave his side. He thought he was the baby's father. Happiness displayed evidently in his eyes. Billy felt silly when he found out it wasn't so and later committed suicide. Pam never had good education. She sold back juice to make ends meet. A few months after she gave birth, she was selling her body on the streets. Life journey got intricate. She prayed and said, "Oh God, I can't take no more." A year after, she bought a car. Some people call her whore. She later furthered her education because she knew she wanted to soar. Now can you guess and tell me who is that janitor at her self-owned clothing store? Big respect to all independent women all over the globe who strive for excellence and keep doing greatness. Tell them precisely. Great ways to get where all the sunshine will make air. Tell all the youth them to stay focused. Me have a book out. It's on Amazon. It's called Don't Cry. So I'm going to drop 2 more poems before I end the video. And like me say, we have to go and dance. The thing on a level and make the youth them know so positivity are the right flex. For our children to know. I want my children to know me as one that is great. Education is essential, time mustn't waste. With the power of knowledge, there's no limit to what you can create. You'll encounter hurdles in life, even frightening earthquakes, but never stop, aim higher and escalate. I also stumbled and fell on my journey, yeah? I made mistakes, still I elevate and stay away. Fueling my mind with positive energy while I vibe and meditate. I pay close attention to nature and sounds birds make. People business, me mix up and I partake. My heart aches, I can't take. Liars and pretenders all fake. Hence why I separate myself from illusion. Confusion will never penetrate. The core of my mind, I smile, I embrace. Greatness, fairness among all human race. Notice this face when I live trace. I will never disgrace my people for position. Rather empower you in this case. But it's somewhat complicated when the world is in a sick state. Love, politics, and religion are folks in a trick state. Miseducation, misinformation, misunderstandings, mistakes are the reason for your failure. So rise and surprise them with a bliss face. Tell them precisely, great way, the great way. So the final one before me end this, called Don't Cry. Mama, don't cry, I'm gonna make this work. Never stop praying for us even when experiencing the worst. I am here fighting tough days, Mom, inside hurts, but don't cry. Even though tears in my eyes, I'm crying out to God, as if I'm inside a church. Wait. Listen to this, I will not quit. Even if I have to keep crawling into the dirt, don't cry. Dada, don't cry, you tried to make things work. You're my first hero, you motivate me to serve. Son about the ball thinking I failed, Dad, I value your work. You inspired me immense, now Almighty God is at work. I'm going to ignite luminosity all over this earth. I told my kids don't cry, they never got it at first. So excited seeing Daddy's first merch. It's not like my sales boosting online, honestly. At times it seems like my life in reverse. Many depending on me, I have to emerge. I swear to God, I'm gonna break this generational curse. Don't cry. Yeah, so right, so I think I reached where I'm going. I'm by the, well, at this present moment in time, now I'm on Kisco. So Mount Kisco in New York. Yes. So big respect in every aspect. I wonder if I ride side that train with that one. More will a train for going to city. People look at me, blessings and respect. And I forgot to find out which one I side me for the one. I look like a wrong side. But bless up and respect in every aspect. Look at me in the car. Journey continue.